Cosmic Wanderer, this is Mission Control. Welcome home. You are now approaching Earth, our small blue world of oceans, clouds, and life, drifting quietly through the dark of space. At around 150 million kilometers from the Sun, following a year-long path around our star. Seeing Earth fill your view like this, all that blue, green, and white swirling with storms and sunlight, you're looking at the only place we know where life has burst into forests, oceans, cities, and dreams. Everything you've ever known, every person you've ever met, every laugh, every story, every love, and every memory is happening right now on that one shining world. A living oasis in a universe that is, almost everywhere else, cold and silent. So far, this is the only planet we know where the universe has learned to breathe, think, and dream, where life has become aware of itself through us, fragile human beings looking back at our own world from above. Out here, you can finally see it for what it is, not just a planet, but a shared home, carrying every language, every story, and every future we create together. Our world is truly remarkable. It sits at just the right distance from the sun for water to stay liquid, wrapped in a protective layer of air, shielded by a magnetic field, and balanced by its moon. Out of all the lifeless rock and gas we've seen so far, this is the place where chemistry somehow crossed the line into cells, forests, animals, and consciousness. An outcome so unlikely it feels almost like a miracle, yet here you are, watching it from above. Our planet is wrapped in an invisible shield of magnetism that turns deadly solar wind into dancing auroras, and covered by a thin skin of air that holds clouds, rain, forests, and cities. A delicate balance that has quietly protected and fed life here for billions of years. Below, an entire biosphere is unfolding at once. Millions of species sharing a thin shell of land, ocean, and air, from microbes in the soil and plankton in the sea to forests, animals, and human cities, all linked together in a complex web of ecosystems that cycles water, carbon, and energy around the planet and keeps Earth alive as a single, self-sustaining system. Prepare for atmospheric entry. In a moment, the thin veil of air that keeps our world alive will blaze against your shield as your fall turns into a trail of fire across the sky. You are now approaching the layer of clouds that sits around 10 kilometers above the ground. From up here it looks soft and calm, even though inside it storms, rain, and lightning are constantly being born. As you drop below the clouds, the vast Pacific Ocean opens up beneath you, an endless blue expanse stretching far beyond the horizon. This single ocean covers more of Earth's surface than all the continents combined, holding most of the planet's water and reaching down into trenches deeper than the tallest mountains on land. From the glittering sunlit waves at the top to the cold, black depths below. It's a layered world of its own, filled with life from drifting plankton to giant whales, all moving beneath you as you continue your descent. Sometimes we forget just how vast and beautiful the ocean really is. From down here, looking up at the rippling surface and the shifting light, you can feel that this blue world is just as endless and mysterious as the space you fell from. Down here, life moves in slow, flowing patterns. A sea turtle gliding past like it has all the time in the world. Schools of fish twist and turn together as if they share one mind, slipping through rocks and coral like living currents of silver and color. In the darker water, jellyfish drift like floating lanterns, their bodies glowing softly in the gloom, reminders that even the deep night of the ocean is alive with light. From the smallest fish to the great whale passing in the distance, every creature you see is part of a vast, hidden world beneath the waves. A second planet, right here on Earth, that most of us only ever touch at the surface. Cosmic Wanderer, this mission was a success. Prepare yourself. Other adventures are already waiting for you among the stars.